Jai Srimannarayana, 15th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yam hi navyadhayanti yete purusham purusharshabha समदुःखसुखं धीरं सः अमृतत्वाय कल्पते. ॐ. Be unchanged and be calm in pain and pleasure. Do not let them disturb you. That is the gate for happiness. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us. From 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, saying that, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall be unchanged and calm in pain and pleasure. I shall not let them disturb me. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma saying to Brahma and all others in front of Bali Chakravarti like this, this Bali, how many ever troubles he faced, he did not go back from his word, and how much ever trouble I gave him, he did never give up his dharmam. That is why Eshame Prapitasthánam Dushprapam Amarairapi Savarnehe Antarasya Ayam Bhavita Indraha Madashrayaha." That is why this Bali is going to get such a great, the status of Devendra. In Savarni Manvantaram, he will get that Indra position which is far away from all the Devatas. No Devata can get it easily. But until then, he will be living in Sutala Lokam. Vishwakarma built that Sutala Lokam. This Bali will be the king of that Sutala world. Because of my blessings and because of my special blessing and special care, special protection. There will be no troubles, no mental diseases, no insults, no disasters in that Sutala world. O Bali, you go there and Mama Ikshaya, under my special protection, you live there peacefully along with your friends and relatives. Even all the devatas always will be craving to be living in that Sutala world. That is where you are going to be living. May you be safe all the time. హుబలి లోకపాలకులకు లోనుగావక్కడ ఇక అన్యులెంత. ఈవెన్ లోకపాలకాస్ ఆల్సో కెనాట్ డిఫీట్ యూ దేర్. అండ్ దెన్ వాట్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ అదర్స్ అండ్ కామన్ పీపుల్. ఏను రక్షించద కరుణ తోడ నీకు గానవొత్తు. వత్ శాసన అతిగాన్ దైత్యాన్ చక్రం మే సూదయిష్యతి. My Sudarshana Chakram will be there to protect you, and also my Sudarshana Chakram will punish those who are going to go against your orders. And also I will be there at your main door, main gate, as a gatekeeper. I always stand over there to protect you. Sada sannihitam veera tatramam drakshate bhavan. You can always see me there. You will be able to have my darshanam all the time. That is how, with my association, with my special care and blessing, all those qualities belong to Asura Jati. The demon dynasty will be totally vanished in you. Like that, Sakshat Vamana Bhagavan is giving his Asirvadam to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 2nd chapter 15th श्लोक. यं हि न व्यधयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभा समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते. यं हि न व्यधयन्त्येते पुरुषं पुरुषर्षभ समदुःखसुखं धीरं सोऽमृतत्वाय कल्पते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.